Assalamu alaikum kids, my name is Isa. Today I'll try to explain about Allah. Allah created everything in the whole wide world, from the shining sun to the fluffy clouds and the animals that roam the land. Allah is super special because He knows everything. He knows what you did yesterday, what you're doing right now, and even what you will do tomorrow. He sees everything, even when no one else is looking. But do you know what's even more amazing? Allah loves you very, very much. He cares about you more than anyone else ever could. He listens to your prayers and answers them in the best way, even if you can't see it right away. Even though we can't see Allah with our eyes, we can feel His love in our hearts. When we pray and talk to Allah, it's like having a special conversation with a best friend. We can share our thoughts, dreams, and worries with Him, and He's always there to listen. Allah has sent special people called prophets to teach us how to live good lives. One of those prophets was Prophet Muhammad. He shared Allah's teachings in a book called the Quran, which is like a guidebook for how to be kind, honest, and caring. As kids, we can show our love for Allah by being kind to others, helping those in need, and being thankful for all the wonderful things Allah has given us. Remember, Allah is always watching over us and guiding us, like a loving parent. So, always remember that Allah is the most amazing and loving being in the whole universe. He knows you, loves you, and is always there for you. You can talk to Him anytime through prayer, and He will listen with a big, warm heart.